Nikhil and I were together in college. We were misfits in our class.
And don't keep waiting for the best time and the right sort of audience before you express yourself. If it's a love song in your heart, go write it. Okay? Maybe better go sing it. If it's a poem that you feel that you have, write it. Show it to your family, show it to friends, share it or don't share it. Right? Or if it's a painting, express yourself. So similarly with me, the writing experiment, I've never written a novel. I've written a lot of scripts for television. I've written documentary, film scripts, etc. I've never written a novel. So when I started writing, I've been thinking and talking about this novel for about 5 years before I actually started writing. And the reason I started writing was actually because of COVID. Right? There was a lockdown, I was stuck at home, not much to do. It was terrible. I decided one day, I'm going to write. I've been talking about writing for 4 or 5 years. Its time has come. I'm going to write now. So I started writing. Okay, this novel is about 80,000 words, right? So I've written about 45,000 words, and then I put the novel down, and I came back to it after a couple of weeks, and I read it. If questions, observations, anything at all. It's an open house, no restrictions. So let's go. Who's going to be first with the questions?
And here's my question. I want to know your inspiration for the title of the novel.
Another great question. I'll tell you a secret. When I first started writing this, I titled it The Wailing of the Bamboo. In fact, I knew the title even before I wrote the first word. Right? And in my mind, that was the title of the novel, The Wailing of the Bamboo. Then eventually the novel got written and I found a publisher, in this case HarperCollins, which was a big global publishing house. And Harper, one day in a meeting, very close to it before we went to print, said, Mr. Alva, we've done research and our research is showing us that nobody understands your title. It's too esoteric. Some people think it's a gardening book. It's a gardening book? How can anyone think it's a gardening book? So the person explained to me very sweetly, look, in a bookstore when people go to buy a book, they decide literally in 30 seconds whether they want to buy something or not. So the title upfront has to communicate what the book is about. Because they're flipping through so many choices, right? Something has to stand out. So they wanted to position this as a book of military fiction, right? So which is why the title has that skew.
Listen up, you can be anything in the world, and God we trust. An architect, doctor, maybe an actress, but nothing comes easy. It takes much practice. Like I met a woman who's becoming a star. She was very beautiful, leaving people in awe. Singing songs Nina Horn, but the younger version hung with the wrong person. Got her strung on that. Sniffing up drugs, all in the nose. Could have died so young, now looks ugly and old. No fun, cause now when she reaches for hugs, people hold their breath, cause she smells of corrosion and death. Watch the company you keep, then the crowd you bring, cause they came to do drugs and you came to sing. So if you're gonna be the best, I'ma tell you how. Put your hands in the air and take the vow. I know I can be what I wanna be. If I work hard at it, I'll be where I wanna be.